You can order the Serpentine belt kit used in the video on the CarParts.com website through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle, open the hood. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Dodge Ram 1500 Car Battery. Before proceeding with the replacement of the Serpentine belt, we recommend taking a picture or to draw the path of the belt around the different pulleys in order to position it correctly later. Using a breaker bar and a 1/2-inch drive extension socket, loosen the belt by turning the Serpentine belt tensioner counterclockwise. Meanwhile, remove the Serpentine belt from the tensioner, then from the various pulleys. You can now remove the Serpentine belt. When changing the Serpentine belt, you should also replace the tensioner pulley and the idler pulley. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Using a ratchet and a 16mm socket, unscrew the bolt holding the Serpentine belt tensioner. Then remove the tensioner. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 13mm socket, unscrew the bolt holding the idler pulley located on the water pump. Finish unscrewing the cap by hand. Next, remove the idler pulley. You can order the Serpentine belt kit used in the video on the CarParts.com website through the link in the description. Take the Serpentine belt tensioner. Put it back in its place. Then screw the bolt back in roughly by hand. Then screw it back in with a ratchet until it makes contact. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Take the idler pulley. Next, screw it back in until it makes contact. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Take the new Serpentine belt. Pay careful attention to which way up you use it. The writing on the belt must turn clockwise. Slide the new Serpentine belt around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To put it completely back in, it is sometimes necessary to get help. Turn the Serpentine belt tensioner counterclockwise and secure the belt with both hands if necessary. Then, release the Serpentine belt tensioner to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.